In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best cast iron skillets in 2025, chosen for their durability, heat retention, cooking versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're a home chef or a campfire enthusiast, these cast iron pans will take your cooking game to the next level. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Kicking things off at number 5 is the Megachef 13-piece cast iron skillet set, a complete cooking package designed for serious home chefs and outdoor grillers alike. With skillets ranging from 6 to 12 inches, plus 4 tempered glass lids, silicone holders, and scrapers, this is more than just cookware, it's a kitchen upgrade. Each pan is pre-seasoned for convenience and durability, and can be used on the stove, in the oven, on the grill, or over a campfire. What's impressive is how the smooth finish provides even heat distribution, which helps improve everything from searing to baking. Made from tough cast iron, these pans are built to last for generations with proper care. The silicone grips make handling safer at high temperatures, and the lids lock in moisture for better braising. It's a versatile, value-packed set that covers every cooking scenario, perfect for large households or anyone who wants to own a reliable cast iron arsenal. Coming in at number 4 is the COOKLIFE 12-inch lightweight cast iron skillet, a skillet that blends traditional cast iron performance with modern user-friendly design. Weighing only 6.1 pounds, it's 30% lighter than standard pans, but still offers superb heat retention and durability. What really sets it apart is the fine polishing process, creating a smoother surface that builds up a seasoning layer more quickly and reduces sticking. It also means easier cleaning, a huge bonus for busy cooks. Plus, it comes pre-seasoned, saving you the trouble of prepping it before first use. Safe for all stovetops, including induction and electric, this pan also works perfectly on the grill and campfire. It's free of toxic coatings like PTFE, PFOA, or Teflon, making it a healthy and safe choice for your family. The eco-conscious packaging makes it a great gift, while its sleek design ensures it looks good in any kitchen. If you've been hesitant about cast iron because of the weight, this one changes the game. Sliding into number 3 is the Backcountry Iron 12-inch cast iron skillet, proudly designed in the USA with rugged performance in mind. This pan is a go-to for those who want a serious piece of cookware that delivers on durability, heat control, and long-term usability. With superior heat retention, this skillet ensures your food cooks evenly and stays hot longer, ideal for searing steaks, making skillet cornbread, or preparing hearty one-pan meals. It's compatible with gas, electric, induction, oven, broiler, and even fire pits, making it ultra-versatile. What makes this pan special is the smooth finish and proprietary oil blend used in pre-seasoning. It forms a natural non-stick surface faster than most brands, and with regular care develops a beautiful patina. Backcountry iron also uses virgin ore, giving it a heavy-duty feel with refined quality. Whether you're a backyard griller, off-grid camper, or just want cast iron that feels premium, this skillet is up to the task. Bonus, it supports small business and feels built to last a lifetime. Taking the number 2 spot is the Cuisinel 3-piece cast iron skillet set, a reliable trio for anyone who cooks multiple meals a day. Ranging from 8 to 12 inches, these pre-seasoned pans cover everything from morning eggs to dinner roasts, with each one delivering consistent heat and rugged reliability. These skillets are made to handle frying, baking, sautéing, broiling, or grilling with ease. Their thick walls and smooth cooking surfaces ensure even heating across the pan. They come with silicone handle covers for safer grip and better temperature control, especially when working over high heat or in the oven. Cuisinel skillets also stand out for their long-lasting construction and ease of care. While hand washing is recommended, maintaining the seasoning is straightforward. It's a great starter set for beginners and a solid choice for experienced home chefs who want versatility in every size. Perfect for both indoor and outdoor cooking, this set is all about control, convenience, and results, and looks great in any kitchen too. Taking the crown at number 1 is the legendary Lodge 12-inch cast iron skillet, America's best-known and most trusted cast iron brand, and for good reason. This pan strikes the perfect balance between affordability, performance, and tradition. Pre-seasoned with 100% natural vegetable oil, it's ready to go out of the box and improves with every use. Lodge's cast iron offers unparalleled heat retention and even heating, making it ideal for everything from searing and sautéing to baking and roasting. The included red silicone handle holder adds extra safety when transferring from stove to oven or grill. And with a helper handle, it's easier to maneuver than most large cast iron pans. Whether you're flipping steaks or baking skillet pizza, it performs like a champ across all heat sources, including induction and campfire. Made in the USA and backed by over a century of cast iron expertise, this pan is built to last for generations. It's the ultimate combination of legacy craftsmanship and modern-day convenience. And that's why it's our top pick of 2025. Whether you're outfitting your kitchen or preparing for open-fire cooking, these are the top 5 cast iron pans of 2025. From all-in-one sets to lightweight upgrades and legacy brands like Lodge, there's something here for every type of cook. Check the links in the description to grab yours at the best price. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments which one you're adding to your cart.